Get ready to meet the unbeatable Squirrel Girl, also known as Doreen Green. With the powers of a squirrel and the powers of a girl, she's here to save the day in Marvel Rivals. Squirrel Girl is a duelist hero in Marvel Rivals. She excels at long-range combat, constantly bombarding enemies with area of effect damage from safe locations. Despite having only the abilities of an ordinary squirrel, Doreen Green, also known as Squirrel Girl, consistently overcomes seemingly unbeatable foes in the most surprising ways. Any adversary who underestimates her is destined to be defeated by the unbeatable Squirrel Girl. Let's talk her abilities. Burst Acorn. Shoot bouncing burst acorns. This ability fires an arc projectile that generates a spell field upon impact. The projectile speed is 80 meters per second, and the damage fall-off begins at 3 meters, decreasing to 70%. The area of effect is a 3-meter spherical radius, and the fire rate is 1.49 acorns per second. This ability has 10 charges. Unbeatable Squirrel Tsunami. Summon a horde of squirrels to charge forward, dealing damage while bouncing against structures. The horde lasts for 10 seconds and has a movement speed of 15 meters per second. The damage dealt is 150, and the squirrels have a health pool of 600. The area of effect is 3 meters in length, 5 meters in width, and 1.75 meters in height. The squirrels will rush toward the current position of the nearest enemy after bouncing against a structure. Tail Bounce. Rocket upwards with the bounce of her tail. This ability propels Squirrel Girl 9 meters into the air, making it great for escaping focused fire and repositioning to high ground. Squirrel Girl is briefly immune to all crowd control while propelling herself. The cooldown for this ability is 8 seconds. Mammal Bond. Reload burst acorns and use an ability without cooldown once in a short duration. This ability has a cooldown of 12 seconds and lasts for 5 seconds or until another ability is used. Squirrel Blockade. Launch an acorn to unleash squirrel guards, imprisoning the hit enemy. This ability fires a charged projectile with an arc trajectory. The projectile speed ranges from 20 to 60 meters per second, with the maximum speed reached at 0.7 seconds of charge. The damage is 35, and the cooldown is 8 seconds. The imprisonment duration is 1.33 seconds, and the charge time is 1.5 seconds. Webbed Acorn. Spider-Man gives Squirrel Girl a web bomb. She can launch it to unleash an explosion upon contact with the environment or an enemy, briefly immobilizing and damaging enemies caught in the blast. The damage dealt is 80, and the cooldown is 20 seconds. The area of effect is a 4-meter spherical radius, and the imprisonment duration is 1 second. Hey, don't ever call Tippy Toe a pet, okay? She's my best friend, Prestige Squirrel Girl. Doreen Green is more than just a computer science student at Empire State University. She also happens to have the powers of a squirrel and the powers of a girl. With her BF best furry friend forever Tippy Toe by her side, Doreen eats nuts and kicks butts as the unbeatable Squirrel Girl.
When Doom sees me, he's gonna be shaking in his faceplate.
the cold.
Thank me later.
Time to go nuts. How unpleasant.
Looks like the missionary
It's spider time! Missionary is yours.
I like the cold.
I still need you.
Oh no! Her fans are gonna be so mad at me. Ooh, a touch of cooling. Glow up. I suck. Control lost. Time to go nuts.
After the time stream entanglement, things got even weirder. With all of New York City under attack by creatures of the night, Squirrel Girl assembled an adorable army to reclaim Central Park from the clutches of Dracula. Here's hoping vampires don't like the taste of squirrel.
A nice deep freeze. Stay away from the nest.
I cleared the spiders.
That one hurts.
I still need you.
I suck. Fear blast up.
But I've almost got him. I appreciate
I
you.
like the cold.
I am ready to put on a show.
Bring on the chaos.
Time to go nuts. You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
I like the cold.
Your powers are mine!
Maximum pulse!
Control seized. They don't look friendly. I appreciate you.
I still need you.
I suck.
Join Squirrel Girl in Marvel Rivals. Master her abilities, strategize with your team, and dominate the arena with the power of the unbeatable Squirrel Girl.